how to fix YouTube and error occurred playback issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if your YouTube is not playing because of errors, it might be because of your browser issue. So for that, you'll need to go to the home page of your Google Chrome, and then you'll find three dots on the top right. Scroll down and tap on settings, and now you'll find privacy and security. Tap on it and then come down, and there you'll find delete browsing data. Tap on it and then tap on delete data. So this will clear your browsing history, cookies, and other site data, as well as cache images or file. So once you delete it, then everything will be refreshed and it will help you solve your errors and glitches. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.